Okay, let's go to printables and get this H1 Plus case. It can house the V4 just nicely. I selected this H1 Plus STL and the backside and printed it. There we go. Let's see if it fits. Some flames for the stringing. Let's carefully break out the supports for this antenna cantilever. So everything assembled, the V4, GPS receiver, the battery, and we have a small cable running here for the antenna and our little 90-degree antenna here. Case just closes like this. Zack, that's it. Now everything seems to have a menu. You can toggle GPS back on and off just by long pressing here, and let's see how fast we get along. And we need to charge this, 9% is not enough. Charging, super easy, just push in USB-C and there we go, charging light comes on.